Hey, what's up everybody? This is John Face Moto coming at you today with another knife review. Today's knife is from Gerber. It's a Remix Tactical pocket knife folder. This knife has a blade length of 3 inches, overall length of 7.86 inches. It weighs in at 4.6 ounces. The steel type on this blade is 7CR 17 MOV. Handle material stainless steel with G10 grips. It has an ambidextrous thumb lift. Also designed for one hand opening. Has a liner lock. Another cool feature about this, it has the ring, which gives you a lot of different options as far as holding it. It's real secure in your hand. Has a nice purchase. Locks in there with that ring. Be good for working with it. Also be good for self-defense situations. You have this, almost like a karambit style if you're fighting with it. It's overall a nice blade, good EDC, nice deep pocket clip, upside down carry, or tip down carry. Feels good in the hand, nice grippy G10. Gerber's a solid company, obviously, they've been around. So it's a nice knife with a lanyard spot. You got these 3 cutouts here. You could perhaps strap it to a stick or something to make a spear if you were in kind of a survival situation. Or I think it's an overall good EDC. I'll probably definitely keep it in the rotation for a while. That's that. And yeah, I'd just like to say thank you to all the new subscribers to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please consider it and share this video. And have a good day. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.